What's up, everybody? Out here at the shed again today because, you know, this is a great place to film. So we're back out on the Ripmo today here with Jay. So we're gonna hopefully get some good footage, some stuff on the push trails today, I think. But we're gonna kind of be all over the mountain here. So yeah, looking forward to it. Hope you guys enjoy it. Hey, we are up on the push trails. And looking to make sure we're going the right place. There's a couple of lots of turns actually. So lots of fun stuff on this side over here. So it does look like it's going to be wet out today. The rocks might be a little slippery, which is always a concern on some of this gnarly stuff. So cool up here though with the mountain laurel and all the rocky goodness. We're gonna hit a little rock feature here, hopefully anyways. These never look gnarly on GoPro, but I can assure you this is sketchy. Yeah, nice, dude. Interesting. That was a localized shower, and now we're up top again and it's dry as a bone. So you guys will see the wet and you guys will see the dry. Boundary line. Hey, you. Oh man. All right, that's it for, it's a wrap for the shed. Little rainy rocks at first and then the goods on the downhill. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like and subscribe. And until next time, right on, my friends. You.